So I absolutely died and needed to have this when this came out. This is the Maybelline. This is the Shadow Drip. This is an eye tint and a glitter. So for me, holidays scream glitter, and we're right around the corner from holidays, and that's why this is perfect. So this was actually gifted to me from the brand, but it's always I will give me asked for you. So what you're gonna find too is this beautiful like purpley amethyst color. I'm gonna show you on the back of my hand. That also has this beautiful doe foot. So this makes it really easy to apply. You can either do a thicker layer or sheer it out. So as you can see, it has this beautiful like duochrome. Let's see. But on the eyes, it's kind of like absolute beautiful. So I'm gonna do a dip, and then we're gonna put a layer on, and then I'm gonna like gently blend it out with my finger just to make sure I didn't miss any spots, and pull slightly into the crease. As you can see, this gives this beautiful like wet shine. I find that this comes off really well, but this gives a great like that brownie kind of purple look that is absolutely to die for. So if you're looking for kind of an easy 1-2 shade, definitely the Maybelline is gonna be